Then if you want to know about the process ID currently running process on your system, so you can have the PS. So it will give you the which are the processes running and its unique IDs. You can see process IDs on which terminal it is running. Okay, and which commands are responsible for it. Okay, so PS simply give you the status of running the process with unique ID. Okay, whatever number of processes are running, it will give the information about that. Then alias command we have just like in the queries. Okay, in the SQL queries we used to alias the certain column names and all these kind of things. So you can also alias the command also. Okay, it's very good command. So like how you can alias the command, alias. Then now suppose I want to alias the cat command and I want to give the name to that command as a C. So alias as a keyword command. C is the name, alias name. C is what? Alias name for which command? Cat. Okay. Now I want to open certain files. Suppose, let me show you. Go to the home. I want to open the appended.txt. Now there is no need to use the cat. I can only use the C appended.txt. What this one? Yes.
Can you explain this again?
Okay. Okay. Alias in the same what? Renaming the command, correct?
Yes.
Like queries also, you must have number of times rename certain columns. Okay. So here we can rename the command itself. Getting what we are renaming? We are renaming the command itself. So here, which command we are renaming? Cat command, correct?
Yes.
And what name you are giving to the cat command?
C. C.
Any name you can give. Any name. Like open. Okay, open. Now, next time, when you want to use the cat command, now there is no need to use the cat and file name. Now you can use the alias name. Open and appended.txt. It is simply the renaming the command. Understood now?
Yes, yes, got it.
Okay. Now my question is what? If I close this terminal and open again, and then after that, can I use that alias name?
No.
You got the question?
No.
If I close this terminal, okay, I close this terminal, I open the terminal again. Okay. Now, whether I will be able to use that alias name now. Means can I open the appended.txt? Will it be possible now?
I think because it's not possible because
Correct.
mm,
Because that alias name will work only for that instant only. You got the point?
yes.
Now it will not open.
Yes.
So alias will work only for that particular instant only until your terminal is open. You got the point?
Yes, Vikas, got it.
Yes. So once you close, next time again you have to alias, and again you can use that alias name. So once your terminal is closed and next time you open the terminal, that alias will not work. Okay, so keep these things in mind. So it is a built-in shell command that let you assign the name for long command or frequently used commands. So basically, when certain name of the command is long, okay, which might be taking some more time to type, that time the aliasing can be helpful. Okay, so that is the use of alias command. Then your the uname will simply give you the name of your operating system. Uname. So my operating system is a Linux. Now on your terminal, it might not work. Okay, you can try it now only. You can try and tell me what result you are getting. Because you are working on the virtual one, correct?
It's working over here also because.
Working, na?
Yeah.
So what it is also showing the
Yes,
Linux
because
Yeah, it's showing
Yeah.
Linux.
Yeah, because we have in the Windows, we have extended that one. Okay, we have enabled that option of using the Windows Linux for Windows. That's why you are also getting the same out. Okay, so then we have the sudo. Okay, so sudo. Anybody have used the sudo? So suppose if you want to now execute certain or you want to install some setup with the root user permission. So that time you can use the sudo. Okay. Suppose I want to update the system, sudo apt get update. So sudo is just what we can say. It will give you the temporary root permissions. Okay, that is the use of the sudo command. So as I mentioned, it allows permitted users to execute the command as a super user or the another user. And this one, suppose you want to trace out the commands which are being executed in past, okay, on your system. So you can see, so these are the commands. So history command. So it is showing the at last history also. The command itself and whatever number of commands that you have executed on that terminals. You can see grep info, which what is. Okay, this can be a useful if you want to trace out your on your terminal which commands are being executed in the past. Okay, so that is the history command. So this password already we have seen, date we have seen, cal, clear. Okay, so that already. So almost I think all the almost all commands related with the Linux in the last 3 days we have seen. These small commands also we have seen. Okay, and so this will be useful for us when we will start the sessions on the scripting. Okay, so any doubt? Anybody want to share anything? So commands already, all the commands, I think almost all commands we have finished.